Nebraska's Attorney General alleges a Swiss billionaire helped fund the groups behind some of the recent ballot initiatives here in the state.
Yeah, and it's illegal for a foreign national to make contributions directly or indirectly to ballot campaign committees. KATV News Watch 7 Capitol Bureau Chief John Grinvalds breaks down the Attorney General's lawsuit.
The state's top attorney put a Swiss billionaire in his sights today, saying that he's responsible for the flow of millions of dollars to Nebraska ballot initiative campaigns.
What we have found is really a scandal hiding in plain sight.
Attorney General Mike Hilgers unveiling a complicated flowchart showcasing what he says is a trail of dark dollars from a foreign national to foundations and then onto advocacy groups and campaigns.
We have a billionaire from Switzerland by the name of Hans-Georg Wyss, who has spent $500 million in the United States that have flowed into elections around the country. And a massive amount, relatively speaking, a massive amount of those dollars have flowed into Nebraska.
Hilgers, a staunch Republican, says those funds have boosted ballot initiatives focused on issues he identified as left-wing. Lincoln for Fair Housing, Support Our Schools, Protect Our Rights, Nebraskans for Medical Marijuana, and Nebraskans for Paid Sick Leave, raising questions about the ideological motivations of the suit.
I've noted this as a far-left radical, we believe. Have I seen anything in the right? We've seen no evidence of that. Be very clear, the statute has no ideological carve-out.
Hilgers says he's not seeking to overturn any of the initiatives that have passed. Rather, this is future-facing.
These groups don't have an intent to stop in Nebraska based on their prior history unless they are forced to stop.
That court will be in Madison County, which Hilgers says is part of his policy of taking cases across the state, not a matter of court shopping. The ballot campaigns are not listed as defendants, nor are some of the Nebraska nonprofits, but I reached out to them and some of the foundations listed as defendants. Most did not comment, but the 1630 Fund called the lawsuit baseless and politically motivated, saying it complies with all laws. Reporting for KATV News Watch 7, I'm John Grinvalds.